Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen and my day 7 update of the AeroGarden Harvest Elite. Now we've finally got some sprouts, so we'll finally show you something on the camera. I woke up this morning, had a look, and we've got a few of them, as you saw from a little bit from the prior videos, a few of them are starting to you can see the green, but we've got one that actually has popped up through the hole in the AeroGarden, so the dill has sprouted, so I can actually show you that on video. So if this is your first time here, normally on this channel I do live streams Monday, Wednesday, Friday, where we cook meals live. You can follow along, you can learn new cooking techniques. But I did get an AeroGarden a week ago, partly to use some of the herbs during the live streams, and we're just kind of following along here as it grows. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified when new videos are posted, but also when I go live, so you can join in and be part of the conversation on that. It'd be great to have you follow along and join me for a live video. So let's get into day 7 update. Finally, some stuff to actually show on camera that you can see from the AeroGarden after 7 days. So let's jump into that. Okay, here we are. This is the day 7 update, but this is 6 full days planted. The AeroGarden will count it down. So the first day was, if this is your first time watching, the first day was the unboxing and setup. I will have all these videos linked in a separate playlist. So if you want, check out the playlist for AeroGarden. You can go back to the beginning and see the progress for each of the days. We're starting to really see some progress, so it'd be great to now going forward. We'll see a lot more happening in the videos. So 6 days of planted, and this one counts down. This is 8, so we have 8 days before we have to give the AeroGarden some more food. So here we go. Let's take off the lid. I've raised the light a little bit so we can see better. The first one that we can actually see here is we've got dill. So this sprouts in 8 to 21 days, and we're actually ahead on this one. So it's obviously only been 6 days planted, but the dill is going. And there are actually 2. There's one just a little bit lower. You probably can't see that quite yet, but there's our first big sprout that's coming up, is the dill. We'll cover this up. We can remove that as soon as if the dill starts to hit the roof, and I think maybe within the next couple days that will happen. And we've got a couple, they've got the Thai basil. We can probably finally see now. There we go, if we can focus there. There we are. So we've got Thai basil growing there. You can see that. That will probably be up and through the hole in, I would bet, 2 or 3 days. So that's kind of exciting. The basil, I think, is going to be one of the first ones that we'll be able to harvest for a recipe. And the rest, I don't think we're seeing anything. Nothing in the mint. That's the mint there. Nothing showing in the mint at all there yet, other than just the condensation on the dome. And then at the front, we've got the thyme, which should be sprouting in 7 to 14 days. And I can just you won't be able to see it, I don't think, on the camera, but I can just barely see the thyme starting to sprout up through. So maybe about 2 or 3 more days on that one. And then the Genovese Basil is actually also growing there, and you can almost probably see that and just coming up through the hole there. So that will be coming up and through the hole more in probably, I would say, 2 or 3 days as well. That one sprouts in 6 to 12 days, so we're right on time for the Genovese Basil. And the last one is curly parsley. This one sprouts 21 to 28 days, so we're still a ways off there. And I won't even take off the dome because there's nothing really to see there. And that's it. Let's check the water, make sure everything's fine. We haven't had to put any extra water in yet. I would assume pretty soon we might have to, once everything starts to grow and the leaves start to form a bit more, but we'll see. We'll do that when we need to. So there we are. That is day 6 of the seeds planted, the herb seeds planted in the AeroGarden. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you do have unsprouted this, I know there's a few viewers that have messaged me saying they're getting one of these, and if you have gotten one since starting to watch these videos, let me know in the comment. It'd be awesome, and just let me know what stage your AeroGarden is at as well. Okay, there we go. That was update number 7. Bit more stuff happening there. It's kind of neat to see the thyme finally finally popping up. We'll see in the next couple days. I'm sure they're going to get quite a bit bigger to see, and more stuff happening as they all sprout, and we'll get to see them all grow together. So if you did have any questions about the AeroGarden, let me know in the comments below. I'll answer them in an upcoming video. It's always kind of exciting to see what people asked and be able to answer them in a video for you. So by all means, just let me know. We're going to be growing this together. So that's it, day 7. Thanks for watching. And if you are watching this as it got recorded when I posted it today, I do have a live stream happening later on tonight, the regular time, 5 o'clock. If you want to join me, hopefully you can see me. We're going to be doing I will link it up above. We're going to be doing the internet's most famous tomato sauce. So it's a 3-ingredient tomato sauce. We're going to be making some pasta and having a dinner together tonight. So hopefully you can join me. We'll see you tomorrow, or I'll see you tonight. Thanks so much. And you can check out these other videos in the AeroGarden series after this.